This is me installing the Puig dark smoke wind deflector for the Honda Rebel 500. I purchased this to try and reduce the amount of wind hitting the helmet, especially when checking my blind spots at speed. I've never really been bothered by the wind hitting my body, but let's see what it can do. To be honest, it is a pretty straightforward install. Probably the hardest part was removing the silver bolts at the top of the suspension arms. Once these are out, everything goes in pretty easily. The instructions are plain and simple, and everything is done with just a set of Allen keys. Be careful not to drop any of the black bolts like I did, especially when it's on black tarmac. There's 10 minutes I'm never going to get back. I've gone for the smoked windshield. I think the black was too dark and it didn't quite match the bike, and the clear, it never really would have been an option. It shows the brackets behind and is really in keep with the look of the bike I'm going for. The dark smoke also matches my visor, which is a bonus. In terms of height, I think I would have preferred about a third lower for aesthetics, but it would have been much less effective. It doesn't in any way hinder my vision as I'm looking over the top, and it sits nicely around the Rebel's front headlight, as you'll see. The angle can be adjusted slightly with the bracket, and I've currently set it to the sharpest, tallest position for the most deflection. The screen, very light. Not sure what I was expecting, to be honest, but it's certainly lighter than I thought. I'll leave a link to the screen I purchased in the description, along with my other gear.
Oh, I still can't make my mind up if I like this screen or not. It looks okay. Maybe I should have got it in clear so I can see the bike better. I don't know. I just can't make my mind up. Let's take it for a spin. See if it makes any difference. See, even there, I'm not too sure if I like it. Let's have a look. See what we think. Alright, let's try this. Let's get some speed up. See if it makes any difference from not having a screen. So there's 30, 40. Oh, there's definitely more. There's definitely more wind noise. Bloody hell, there's a lot more wind noise. Definitely more wind noise on the screen than what I get without it. I can feel it hitting the helmet. I feel like it's hitting the top and the sides of the helmet. You can probably pick it up on the microphone how noisy it is. On the body, I think it's a bit better on. There's not as much wind on the body. It's definitely being deflected to the sides. I can feel it more on my arms, unless that's where it's being. That must be maybe where it's being deflected to. But in terms of the body, yeah, there's definitely less. Let's get a bit more speed up again. Earplugs, I think. Keep the screen on. This is really loud. This is a huge difference from not having the screen. I can feel it. It feels like it sounds a bit silly, but it feels like it's pressing the helmet. Where it's getting, my helmet's getting knocked left and right, and I can feel it vibrating at the sides. Now I'm 5'9", 5'10" on a good day, and I'm sat upright. I'm not leaning. I'm a little bit leaning over, but I'm pretty much sat upright. This bike's a type of cruiser bike, so I'm not bent over like a sport bike. And this screen is designed for the bike, which is a Honda Rebel. But yeah, I don't know. The look of it is okay, I suppose. I'm still not 100% set on it. I'd like it to be maybe a third lower, just so it doesn't look like one of them 70s cruisers that you see that Chip used to be on. That's not really what I wanted. I wanted something a little bit smaller. I wanted something that did deflect the wind over the helmet, because when you get a bit of speed up, especially on a windy day, or even with a bit of a breeze, to be honest. It can knock you about a little bit. I think this has made it worse. I really do. Let's try low speed. So I'm going now 40 mile an hour. There's no real difference on it really, I suppose. 40 mile an hour, you don't really feel it anyway. It was more the high speed thing is what I got it for. Time will tell, I suppose. What I might do, I suppose this will be better in the winter if it's raining, so deflecting maybe some of the rain over the helmet or over your body, I suppose, or around, over and around. Now the sheet that you get with it here, now that shows a big difference in efficiency, wind efficiency, and obviously being able to cut through the air. But I don't know, I think it makes it less comfortable. That noise when I got up, when I got a bit of speed, and I wasn't even going too quick, that was a huge difference in noise. I don't know, maybe I can have a look at changing the angle, maybe the angle. In fact, no, I did set it so it had the tallest angle. And if I tilt it back any further, which it looks like it will raise up a little bit, if I tilt it back anymore, it's going to come straight into my face, not the top of the helmet. Don't know. Tell me what you think. Anyway, I don't know if you've got one and you like it. Maybe I've done something a bit wrong. I can't see how. It's just a pretty simple install. Everything's tightened up as it should be. The other thing is it does wobble a little bit as well. This seems to be quite flexible. Here's the before and after pictures anyway. Let me know your thoughts.
Guys, hope you liked the video. Please like, please subscribe, leave a comment if you've got any ideas for another video. And until next time, ride safe.